Hey guys, today I'm looking at this Husky air compressor that I bought my dad. One of the issues it was having was the pressure regulator isn't working. It just kind of lets all the air just seep out, so it's really difficult for us to set the PSI to the proper PSI that we want. So I'm just going to pull this out and swap it. I ordered this replacement part from online website. Don't remember the name of it, but I'll post a link online. And yeah, so far it's not been very difficult. There's only 2 bolts to take off for this plastic piece. They're right here. You'll need a hex, one of these little tools. I don't know the exact size of it. It doesn't say, but yeah, once you unscrew that, you need to take off these inlets so that you can actually take this larger piece off. So if you don't take out these, you can't take off the plastic cover. So I'm gonna finish up the job real quick. It should be easy peasy, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. What you will probably need is some large pliers to pull this off, and obviously I'll have to swap this regulator out. So or this PSI display. I don't think it's a regulator. I think this is the regulator. So yeah, talk to you in a little bit. So just a heads up, you're going to need a 9/16 wrench to take off this air regulator. I'm sorry, the display. So you might want to take that off before you actually take off the regulator. All right, guys. So I was able to take it off with a little bit of elbow grease. It's not too crazy. So let's keep going. Don't forget, guys, use the sealing tape. This one is the one that I'm using. Make sure to put that on before you put it in the hole. Alright guys, I've just completed the installing this new regulator. Alright guys, as you can see, I just finished installing this regulator. Looks like I kept the ring underneath the plastic. I'll have to fix that, not a big deal. Just remember to install this dial first before you install the regulator, or else you're not going to be able to spin this dial into its into the inlet. So just remember that. It seems to be working. You turn it, and we got an increase in pressure. So and then we lower it, and it's working. So finally, it's holding pressure. The issue we had with the issue my dad had was he had his nail gun, and I was asking him, Dad, the compressor's not turning off. And he's like, oh, it's been that way. So I was like, Dad, well, let me just fix it for you. He was like, no, don't touch my air compressor, I was like, okay. And then I took his air compressor and bought the part and fixed it. So yeah, the issue that we had was just that the air pump wouldn't turn off. It just kept going, and the regulator wouldn't regulate the air. So if you're having those types of symptoms, this will definitely fix your issue. It's not very complicated. You just need a good pair of pliers. Got these at Harbor Freight. They're pretty awesome to actually get out the regulator. For the smaller pieces, you should probably just get like a crescent wrench, and you'll be okay. So yeah, I mean, those are all the tools you need. I'll just pull this out really quickly, and then I'll be done. So hope you guys got some help out of this video, and next time I'll use my iPhone. My iPhone is full, so that's why I'm using this old DV camcorder. Alright, you guys take care. Peace.